Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon E, and it will be the third video that will cover this topic, les homophones. So remember, we write them differently, we pronounce them the same way, and they have different meanings. Okay, so that's the thing. It is the third video, so the next one will be the last one covering this topic. Okay, so let's start now. Un mètre, and so you will have the translation here. Un mètre, and then un mètre as well. Okay, so un mètre and un mètre, same pronunciation. Un mois, and then moi, me. Okay, so un mois and moi. Un mur, and the adjective mur. Okay, so un mur and mur. Un nez, nez. Okay, so un nez and nez. Un nom, nom. Un nom, nom. Un pain, un pain. Right? Un pain, un pain. Un père, une paire. Paire. Okay, so in that case we're talking about the numbers. Alright, so paire. So here, un père, une paire, paire. Une pâte, une pâte. Okay, une pâte, une pâte. Une paume, une pomme. Okay, so you can see that I pronounce them a little bit, a little bit differently, but then we'll be careful that in many cases people will pronounce them the same way. Okay, because in that case normally it should be a bit lower, pomme, and then here more open, so pomme. Okay. Une pause, une pause. Okay, so une pause, une pause. Alright, that's it. If you want more videos, then the YouTube channel is here, and then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. And if you want more material, then it's here. Have a great day. Bye bye.